videotape this.
I am.
Oh. Hey, you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Chris will probably show up on America's Funniest Home Videos when I get run over, right? Right, when I get run over. I'm going to get run over. I'm going to get run over.
Just for reference.
He's terribly afraid of people, isn't he? Hey, birthday boy. Hey, birthday boy. You getting up, big guy? Are you going to roll? Uh-oh, you're rolling. Oh! Oh! $100 right there. Get up, you big old galoot. Yeah, I